Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your English teacher Ms. Razia Babardar with the second topic of your language, that is interrogative sentences, 9th class English. Now in this lecture I will explain you the rules and how to apply those rules in the sentences, and I will give you an assignment regarding this topic. So there are certain criteria to fulfill the assignment in this way. Complete the given exercises of interrogative sentences by applying the rules. Assignment to be submitted by using a clear file folder. Use full scape sheet. Title your name, class properly with topic. Write down the rules and also mention the examples of your own. Now, interrogative sentences. It expresses question mark in a sentence. We need to ask something. We uses do, did and does in the beginning of a sentence. First form of the verb shows us present tense. Do is going to use in such type of sentences. Second form of the verb shows past tense, that's why we use did in the beginning. First form plus s represent present tense, but due to the presence of s with the first form, we uses does in the beginning. Now come to the explanation with the example or with sentences. Number 1 is she explains us English. Over here explain is the verb, so explain plus s. So according to the rule mentioned, we have to use does in the beginning. Does she explain us English? Next is I explain you English. Answer is do I explain you English? Question mark. Third is they explain us English. Over here we are having only the first form of the verb. Do they explain us English? Next is she saw a lion. Over here we are having the second form of see, saw. Okay, so that's why we have used did in the beginning. Did she see a lion? Note, with do, did and does, we had used first form of the verb in the interrogative sentences. Means when we have changed the sentence, we are using only the first form. If either it is written in the current sentence, but we have to use the first form of the verb. Now come to the exercise. Now it is an exercise for you. You have to change the following sentences into interrogative sentences. She forgot us. You break the glass. I know you. He solves a sum. You calculate the right answer. She watches TV. They knocked at the door. She commends me. They promised me. He forgave them. Second exercise is first sentence, she drank tea. I thanked him. You follow me. He orders her. You deliver a lecture. She sees a snake. I draw a map of Pakistan. We plant a tree. Now student, again you have to change the following sentence into negative sentences. Yes, sentences with the helping verb. Over here, I am going to explain you about the helping verb sentences. When we have helping verb like is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, has, have, had in a sentence, so there is no need to use do, did or does in such type of sentences. We are going to use the current helping verb present in a sentence. For example, she have done her homework. So answer or interrogative sentence is have she done her homework? Question mark. The PN is ringing the bell. Is the PN ringing the bell? So we are using the current helping verb which are in existence in a sentence, and there is no need to use do, did or does. So in the end, I will give you an exercise regarding this. Change the following sentences into interrogative sentences. She is selling newspapers. You are speaking a lie. They have stolen a book. He has sent a book. I am telling a story. We had written an essay. The boys were making noise in the class. You will help me. I was watching television. She had completed her notes. Now student, you have to complete this exercise and the previous exercise as well as in your language copies. Okay student, I am leaving this lecture now. Okay, stay blessed and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.